Planning to visit Europe from the UAE? The Schengen Visa allows you to explore 27 European countries with a single visa. Here's a complete guide to applying for a Schengen Visa online, including the required documents and step-by-step instructions. Documents required for a Schengen Visa. To ensure a smooth application process, gather the following documents. 1. Completed visa application form. Fill out the Schengen Visa application form accurately. You can access this form on the respective embassy or visa center website. 2. Valid passport. Passport must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay. It should have at least 2 blank pages. 3. Photographs. 2 recent passport-sized photos, as per Schengen photo requirements. 4. Proof of financial means. Bank statements for the past 3 months. Salary slips or proof of income. 5. Travel insurance. Minimum coverage of €30,000. Valid for all Schengen countries. 6. Travel itinerary. Flight reservations, round trip, hotel bookings, or proof of accommodation. 7. Proof of purpose of travel. Invitation letter, if visiting family or friends. Detailed itinerary for tourism or business purposes. 8. Proof of residency in UAE. Valid UAE residence visa, valid for at least 3 months after your return. 9. Additional documents, as applicable. Employment certificate or no objection letter from employer. Trade license copy, if self-employed. Proof of enrollment for students. Step-by-step guide to applying for a Schengen visa. 1. Determine the type of visa you need. Identify whether you need a short-stay visa, long-stay visa, or transit visa. 2. Choose the appropriate embassy or visa center. Apply to the embassy or visa center of the country you will spend the most time in, or where your entry point is. 3. Fill out the application form online. Complete the visa application form on the official embassy or visa center website. 4. Book an appointment. Schedule an appointment for submitting your application and biometric data at the respective visa center. 5. Pay the visa fee. Pay the fee via credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Check for exact fees as it may vary. 6. Attend the appointment. Submit your application, biometrics, and supporting documents at the visa center or embassy. 7. Track your application. Use the tracking ID provided during submission to check the status of your application online. 8. Receive your visa. Once approved, you can collect your passport with the visa from the visa center or opt for courier delivery. Processing time. Schengen visa processing usually takes 15 calendar days, but it may take longer during peak seasons. Tips for a successful application. Double-check all documents for accuracy. Apply at least 4 weeks before your planned travel date. Ensure all bookings and insurance match your intended travel dates. Use the services of www.schengenvisa.ae. By following these steps, you can seamlessly apply for your Schengen Visa online from the UAE and embark on your European adventure. For more information, visit www.schengenvisa.ae. Like, share, and subscribe.